Well, boys, I would have to say we sent her a little too hard. But yeah, rip to this fishing machine. But nobody worry, nobody was hurt, so everything is fine. I'm fine, everything's fine. We'll be okay. Anyways, what's going on, everybody? As you can see, my car is a little partially broken, so we won't be taking that around too much right now. It'll be under repair here pretty soon, but it's okay because I have a father who has like 27 vehicles in our driveway for some odd reason. So we are going to be taking this truck. We're going to the farm, and last night I made a bunch of tacos out of fish and it was amazing. But before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's free. I need those likes, I need those subs because, well, my car's broken and it's gonna be really hard to fish and film videos for just a little bit. I'll probably have to take my bike around and use that for fishing. So, like I said, rip. And if you love me, you'll subscribe. And I would love you so much if you do. So, I appreciate it. We're gonna go to the farm, catch some gills. Hopefully, catch a bunch of them, flay them up, make some fish tacos. So, enjoy today's video. All right, folks, we have made it to the farm, back at the pond again. We were here the other day. I don't think I filmed, but man, we slayed out on the bluegill. So today's goal, I think we're gonna go for probably between 5 to 10 bluegill, at least good sized bluegill. And then after we do that, we'll head back to the house, flay them up, make us some fish tacos. Because I'm telling you, man, this recipe, we got it from Mindak Outdoors. It's a killer recipe, so I'm super excited. Hopefully we can catch a bunch of bluegill for you guys, maybe a giant crappie, because I did catch one the other day on a worm. So gosh, this dog won't leave me alone. Stop. But we have the GoPro on. What? We're gonna turn it on, use this sucker, and hopefully catch some fish on these giant night crawlers. That was also the goal of today's video, was to catch these bluegill on night crawlers. So wish me luck, sit back, relax, enjoy, and stay tuned. All right, we're gonna go get our worm put on our hook here. But I'm gonna show you guys how I put my worms on to keep them on the hook, typically a little longer than you would if you just threaded it through the middle or something. But I just take the top of my hook and I go through the very top of the worm and I literally just thread it down the side of the worm, just right through the insides. And this is a bait holder hook, so it's got a couple barbs up and down through the hook, so keeps your bait on there a little longer. So that's how I do mine. So if that helped you in any way, leave a like on this video. Alright, well, this brush pile right here, this little tree in the water, was the honey hole of bluegill the other day. So we're gonna try it again right here. That was an awful little toss, but it was a little deeper than I was fishing with. But just toss it out there, reel it in as close as I can, and the bluegill were slaying out on them the other day. So hopefully the worm gets her done. Like I said, we're shooting for probably up to 10 crappie, so we have a good little mess of, not crappie, bluegill. I guess crappie work too, but good mess of fish to make some fish tacos with. I actually think I'm going to set my bobber a little more shallow than what it was. I'm probably going to set it about 8 to 10 inches, because I don't think it's that deep right here, but what do I know? Alright, this should work. Hopefully the bluegill are on. Would like to have some fish tacos today. It's also gotten very windy just now. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that's a donk. Look at that. That is a slab, if I've ever seen one. Look at there. That's a good start to today's video. Big old bluegill. I had a good feeling the worm was going to get her done today. And of course, we're going to get these quality bluegill because they are just super stacked in this pond. And this one right here is going to be a nice little taco. But my dad's on the other side of the pond, but he'll bring the bucket on over. So we're just going to toss them down there for a second and get back to fishing. Okay. Oh, I'm slaying the bluegill over here. Even though I've just caught one. But it'll be alright. We'll probably catch quite a few more, hopefully. Hopefully of that size too. Those things are big chunguses. I'm gonna catch a bunch of big chungus today. Hopefully. It'd be nice. But yeah, see? Look at that. Almost looks like my worm didn't even come off at all. Still got my full worm because we've threaded it on there just like that. That thing absolutely hammered it too. That was nuts. Literally just looked down for a second, looked back up, and my bobber was just taking off. Oh snap. There we go. Oh! Broke me off. Dang. I don't know how it broke off like that. I think it's the bobbers, man. These bobbers suck. Fray my line and stuff. Gosh dang. Alrighty. We're back in business. Put on a different bobber. A little lighter. Smaller hook. So hopefully we can really slay out on the panfish and maybe not break off again. I am using pretty ultralight setup here. I mean, this is a medium rod from Favorite. It's called the Viridian. It's really nice, really good crappie rod. If you guys want to know more about this crappie rod, let me know in the comments below. This sucker was less than 40 bucks. Super good rod. I love it. But hopefully we don't break off again and catch some bluegill. I think that might have been a bass, and 4-pound line and a decent sized bass probably doesn't go together very well, so yeah, that's that. I should also probably not set the hook like it's a freaking 6-pound bass eating a jig off the bottom. Probably didn't help the case at all. I just missed that one. I don't even want to try to set the hook very hard. God, I keep missing them though. There we go. Told you. Big chungus. Big chungus. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys. Look at there. Look at there. You must have a ton of these in here if we caught all those the other day and all these today. That's good because I'm making fish tacos with this guy. Oh, so delicious. Oh yeah, I made some last night. It was amazing. Oh yeah, he's going on the grill. Let me tell you what, folks. The earthworm never fails when you're pan fishing. I highly suggest, if you're really bad at pan fishing or fishing in general like me, to use live bait, like night crawlers, because then you'll be able to catch a fish. Maybe. Nah, man, those are my big chunguses. Here we go. Get another one. Take it. Oh yeah. Oh, he's a chunker too. Shoo! Oh. No, but he's a taco. That's all I can think about. Oh, he swallowed my hook too. Took some surgery, but I got it out. And I think my hook is okay. I hope. Well, there's no point in changing spots now. I have found the gills. There we go. Oh, he's just a little guy. Don't think he'd make a very good taco. Oh. Well, catch and release. These bluegill are fun to catch. They fight pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, what we got? I do. Oh, that is a chunker. That's big chungus. Oh yeah, come here, big chungus. Woo! That's a taco and a half. Gee dang. Oh god, taco and a half if I don't lose him back in the water. Oh, he got big mouth on him. Look at there. That's 2 tacos. A fillet for each one. Dang. If we catch a few more like that, we'll have tacos for everybody. Alright, one more big chungus, and we will have enough tacos for everybody. So I'm gonna try to catch one more, right? Oh, look at there. Oh, look at there. Oh, he ain't big chungus though. He little guy. Alright. I need one big chungus to nibble. Oh, never mind. I did. He's not bad. Yeah. He's not, I don't think he'll make a good taco. I'm gonna throw him back. I need one big chungus to bite my itty bitty worm. Oh, there we go. Man, they are smoking it. Well, he ain't big chungus either, but he is a fish. Look at there, still got my worm. One big chungus. Big chungus in the comments right now. We're gonna catch him. Oh, there we go. It doesn't. He's a keeper. Oh yeah. He's a taco. He's a certified taco. Holy.
That's pretty nice one.
That is a nice one. He's thick. Thick with 3 C's. Oh yeah. He's a thickin'. But folks, right there will be our last little fish for today's video. All these guys will become delicious, succulent tacos. And that there, folks, is how you slay the bluegill slash panfish, whatever they were. Red ear, I don't know what they were. I'm not a genius. But that is how you slay them with the earthworms. The earthworms absolutely slaughtered them, or the fish slaughtered my earthworms. I don't know. But we did catch, I don't know, I lost count between my dad, my grandpa, and holy cow, that thing is flying low. There's a jet flying super low. Might kill us. But between us 3, a couple triples, couple doubles, we might have 15 fish in there for some tacos. Might have to keep some for my mom or something, because us Asians, man, we go through fish like we go through toilet paper. It's crazy. But anyways, I'm gonna fool around, and I'm gonna throw this buzzbait right here around when it is not extremely sunny and burning my eyes out. And hopefully we can catch some big bass, but I'm probably not gonna show that. Probably just gonna do it for fun and see what's up. But I'll catch you guys back at the house. I'm gonna clean this up, and then we'll probably have some fish tacos tomorrow for lunch. So stay tuned, you won't be disappointed. All right, we have now gotten our fish all seasoned up, buttered up, threw our vegetables on there. It's getting ready to be grilled. We're gonna wrap it in some foil, but I'm gonna go over what I did just because the time lapse. I'm gonna probably make it blow by real quick because that took quite some time. But basically, we just threw the fillets on there. We put some of that garlic and herb seasoning on there, and then after that, we threw some paprika on top, and then we covered the top of that with seasoned salt. And then we put our vegetables on top. After that, we cut some butter, threw it on there, and then drizzled it with some lemon juice to give it some zest. And yeah, that's about it. So now we're gonna wrap it up, throw it in the grill, cook it about 5 minutes on each side, and then we'll be having ourselves some juicy, succulent tacos. So stay tuned. All right, it is the moment we have all been waiting for. Is the fish completely botched, or is it going to be halfway decent? And oh boy, that smells really freaking good. Holy. Sorry if you hear a mower in the background, but guys, look at that. Wow. Does that not look super delicious? Oh my gosh. Looks pretty cooked to me. It did 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes on one side, 5 on the other. Pulled her off, and this is what we got. So now the next step is to put it in our taco shell and test it out taste-wise. So let's hope to God it's actually good. All right, well, I think the easiest way to do this while filming, I'm just gonna scoop it up. Let's see. Oh, it's definitely done. It just breaks right apart, real flaky. Just gonna get a couple scoops in here, break it up, get a bunch of these peppers and onions, because that's the best part. That's what gives it all the flavor. And just look at all the juices inside the foil here. Looks crazy delicious. I probably could have used a little more onion and pepper, but it's kind of hard to proportion this. I've only done this once, and it was literally last night before I filmed this video, and I just wanted to test it out and see if it was a good recipe. And last night it turned out really, really well, so hopefully this turns out just as good. And if you wanted to, you could add whatever, like cilantro, tomato, whatever. You can make whatever you want, but I found that grilling the fish like this is just an amazing way to cook it. Lots of flavor, halfway healthy, kind of, I think, other than the butter maybe, but if I had some tomato, this would be the best thing I've ever tasted, I bet. So I'm gonna take some taco sauce as well, just drizzle it on there as I cake it in taco sauce. Wrap her up and let's test it out. All right, folks, we're gonna try to wrap this up the best we can. We're not a pro at wrapping burritos by any mean, or tacos or whatever, but I think we can wrap it up good enough to where we can get a good bite. There it is. Really hope this turns out good like it did the other night. It was amazing, but let's try it out. God, yeah. That right there is a burrito. Wow. I guess fish taco, whatever you want to call it, same thing. I've never made fish tacos until the other night. I'm probably going to keep making fish tacos exactly like this. Unless you guys got any other recommendations, drop it down in the comments below. But this right here is fire. All the seasoning, the peppers and onions cooked real nicely. The lemon, you can actually taste the lemon. I put a couple like capfuls in there. Kind of drizzled it on there, but wow. This is really good. If you guys haven't figured out yet or heard about it, but in the last video, I believe the last video, I built a terrarium, like a ecosystem in a jar, and it was a pond in a jar. But starting next Thursday, I'll be uploading every Tuesday, or trying to, after having a little wreck. It's gonna be kind of hard to film, but hopefully every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. But Tuesday and Saturday being fishing, hunting, I don't know, some kind of video like that, and then Thursday being our terrarium updates. So we'll do weekly updates on that if you haven't learned that yet. I gotta go renew my license. It's your boy's birthday in a couple days, and I'm almost to 1,500 subscribers, guys. I appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me lately. I've been growing quite a bit in the last year, more than I have been when I started, so that is awesome. Thank you guys for your support, but I'm less than 50 subscribers. Actually, I'm like 39 subscribers away when this video comes out. So if you guys can help gas me up to 1,500 before my birthday, that would be extremely awesome. It would mean the world to me. It'd be the best birthday present ever. And I mean, if we gas up to 2,000, that'd be crazy, but we'll say 1,500 because we're not too far from that. But like I said, thank you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed our little catch and cook today. It is extremely fun going out and pan fishing, catching those bluegills and crappie and stuff on worms. Earthworms, that's like, you know, back in the day when I was younger, that's how I fished, with a bobber, little bait hook, and some worms or minnows. So brought me back to the good old days, and we absolutely just slaughtered the fish. Lots of crappie, a lot of bluegill. Spent a long time, a lot of time last night, or the night before, whenever it was, filleting these fish for this video. But I hope you guys really enjoyed. Like I said, drop a comment down below if you guys have any recommendations on recipes for fish tacos or any kind of fish in general. This right here, I recommend trying this. This is amazing. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, 1,500 by the 9th, which is actually that's when this video goes up, but maybe 1,500 in the next week. So I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys on the next episode of Bad Bass Fishing, and folks, like always, stay hooked. Well, I could not get enough of this freaking taco. So good.